Why are you so tall? First of all, God made you statuesque. Can I say that? Mm-hmm. He made you funny, brilliant.
Tried.
You tried. Well, and tired. You're tired this morning, aren't you?
Just a little bit.
A little bit? Okay, well, now we can say, hey guys, welcome to another fun-filled, exciting episode of what do we do? Whatever we do in the salon. It's just like we grab a really gorgeous model, I grab some Starbucks, we put something in her hair. Usually it works. Most of the time it works. Guys, we're here again. It's a Sunday. You don't really care that it's a Sunday, but we do because we had to wake ourselves up. But we love Sundays because they're fun days because we like to do fashion color. And today we're going to do more red on our lovely Shelby.
Hi guys.
She's back. This time we're going to do a touch-up. Everybody loves Shelby. I love her. All the hairdressers in there love her. You love her. So we're going to do another episode of Shelby. It's the Shelby Show, right?
Just a little bit, yeah.
You know, but I'm kind of a dummy. I know you guys think I'm great, but sometimes I'm a dummy. And what did I do? I forgot to get enough color. Yeah. So instead of doing the color right now, we're walking around in Midtown feeling sorry for ourselves because I didn't get enough color. But we wanted to take some time to talk about what Shelby's doing. Now, we are going to do color. We're going to get in there. I got to run to the store and get it. But we wanted to show you the beautiful, beautiful fade out on the beautiful Shelby. And then I'm going to walk around a little bit. There you go. Look at that. Hopefully you're getting enough light on this. And so you can see what we did last time. How many weeks ago was this? You remember 6? Yeah, so that's a 6-week fade out. And as you guys can see, she has her natural roots grow really fast.
My hair grows fast.
Yeah, she's taking her vitamins. She's doing all the right things. She's blessed to have genes that give her really good hair. Why are we doing it today? Well, because Shelby has an awesome trip. She's going to go do something really fun. What are you going to do?
I'm heading to New York Fashion Week in 3 days.
Where?
New York Fashion Week.
The Big Apple?
Yes.
Midtown Manhattan. She's going to be on the runway taking part in New York Fashion Week. We're touching her up so that she can be all ready. Let's take a moment to tell everybody about what you're going to be doing at Fashion Week.
Thursday night is the first show, and it's beautiful, elegant gowns. Next night, I'm walking for David Tupaz. I walked for him back in February. He's an amazing designer, so I'm really excited to work for him again. Saturday night, I think I have a day off, so I'm actually just going to be able to enjoy New York. Wow.
You know, she left out all the partying, right? She left that out? Let's not tell mom and dad.
They're already worried to know.
Oh, they're going to be very worried after this video. Life is good. We are going to get some color going, but we wanted to give you a prep on today's show. So our goal is to freshen up this color, not change it too much. I love what's going on. It's a little too auburn with a little too much brown. We're not going to do any bleaching. We're just going to put the color right on with a little bit of developer. And then we're going to do some fun stuff with the roots, maybe even some stuff that you guys can do at home. Now, you can't have her at home. That's not something you can get, but you can get the color and do the technique. Her, she's staying with me. You can't take me home either. You can't take us, but you can watch us. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride. Okay guys, we have her in the chair. There she is. I love the shine that is coming right off of her crown right here. As you can see, the fade out gets a little more brown. Too much brown than auburn for me. But on the inside, you flip that over, it's
hella cute.
More hella cute right there. If there's an expert on hella cute, it's Jonathan.
No.
On the inside, it's hella cute right here.
Precious.
It's so precious. It's just so sweet. Her mid shaft is still really fresh and hella cute.
Hella cute.
So we love that. My goal is to paint a transitional color. There'll be a darker red, a medium transition, almost like a hair painted effect right in there. And then we're going to freshen up her roots, keeping the mid shaft consistent. That's our plan. We are going to use J Beverly Hills the entire time. Last time we used some Matrix and J Bev, but I got my swatches. So we're looking at her hair, trying to decide what level we're gonna go. We're actually gonna use permanent color. Last time we used a booster. See the red? So what we're gonna do is 6.66. We're gonna use 6.66 right here. Okay, so thank you to J Bev for sponsoring. We have a little bit of a red booster we're going to throw in there. 666. We're going to use the mark of the devil red, and we're going to hopefully get more of a push down to a 5. Since I'm learning JBev, I'm not an expert like Mac is. She is, what would you call yourself in the JBev world?
I'm a colorist.
She's a colorist, a JBev colors. We're gonna use JBev. You remember guys, last time we used this for her roots, but this is just, it's a fashion color. It's not it's a temporary color. We're gonna switch it up and do that on her ends. This is a retouch, freshening her up. It's not gonna take as long. Are you mixing it?
Yep.
Oh wow, she's mixing it without me. Okay.
So we have a 6RR.
6RR, see that right there? Okay. 6.66. I call it the devil red.
I measure in grams because it's way more precise.
That's all. She's super European too.
Super European.
Yeah, grams. Okay.
We're gonna use Super Boost, and that's gonna allow the color to like really get into the cuticle.
Okay, so
this is a red mixer, so this is pure red.
Pure red, right there, guys.
And we're only gonna use a little bit because the color is already very red itself.
So 6.66 with a red booster.
We are ready to mix.
Ready to mix. Okay. Doesn't that look good? It looks like oatmeal, like some sort of like yogurt. Doesn't smell good though. Is it started?
Oh yeah, I pressed the start button.
Oh wow, it's start. Hey, we're putting on the color, guys. This looks like super strawberry-ish. Not as deep red as last time. Here, let me show you the mix. But again, there it is. This is a permanent color, guys, not a temporary. We're gonna be doing the temporary at the end. A little AC/DC in the back. So I'm just doing some quad sections here. We're just doing the roots. All right, guys, have you ever used purple shampoo for color block? I am. So we're gonna put this right around her forehead because we're using a red color permanent that will stain her forehead. Give it a try. It scrubs off really nice when you get to the shampoo bowl. See, and then we can bring that color down. All right, guys, so my next step, we've got the root done. The next step is, you can see that still there's a little darkness here. We got the root painted, then there's some darkness, then we have the mid shaft. We're gonna go in and feather that out so that that is evened out. Big paintbrush. Big paintbrush. Take our chopstick. Get in here. About 1/8 of an inch. Dip, dip, dip. Dip. Make sure we don't have too much, so I wipe a little on the back. We're gonna paint out. Upward stroke. The bestest?
The fastest.
The fastest? Oh.
The fastest Starbucks in Northern California.
That right. Where's the location?
In Woodland.
In Woodland? Mm-hmm. Okay. So you guys, you beat your records and all that, and you get like acknowledgments on the reports?
I actually have people from Seattle that come down and watch us.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. That is an excited dog.
Hi, puppy.
She's good.
Oh, no.
Oh, wow.
That's okay. Say we love puppies.
Calm down.
Hi.
Just getting her all over.
She's getting so excited.
All nervous, huh? Like, would just start running around in here.
She would, and she'd jump all over you guys. She's
Wow,
crazy.
she did get out there, though.
Calm down.
Wow. Okay, guys, see, we have a little bit of orangey brown tones. And then we're ready to rinse, by the way. We're loving this. It looks great. And then now we're looking at her ends are dry. We haven't put any shampoo on her yet. As you can see, we have a red, and then boom, kind of orangey brown here. Sangria fashion color. We used that last time on her roots, but instead we're going to do it on the tips. See how it goes. As you can see, we took off, using that purple shampoo, took that right off of her forehead. You can see a little bit of a shadow, but it's really hard to see, so now she's not going to have to scrub that when she... The roots look really nice and even and consistent. So just applying it to my hands, look at that. Remember, guys, orange was on this side. Can't really see it so much, but it's okay. I'm just keeping it really simple. I'm going to put some more on my other hand. Get in there, and I'm just going to make it consistent on all these tips. Look at those tips, guys. Now you can see they have the consistency of the mid shaft. Look at that. And we're staying within the same color line. We did use the sangria again. Look at that. Time to rinse. We did 10 minutes on these. Rinse them out. Good to go. So Jonathan says country's been dead for 30 years.
I grew up with Wranglers, cowboy boots. I had a mullet.
No, I believe that. Dude, that qualifies you as an expert in country music. Mullets qualify you.
Have those Wranglers. And
Yeah,
those
ooh, yes, those Wranglers.
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, guys, so back to hair. Even though that's a really interesting conversation. Back to hair, guys. Okay, so Shelby's going to get the Malura oil treatment. Yay. By Paul Mitchell. I love this stuff. I'm going to put some clear shines on. This is my beat up old bottle of clear shines. I don't use it a lot, but it's a Paul Mitchell product. It's got its own processing liquid. And this is like a 10-minute just a gloss. I'm going to put the gloss on Shelby's mid shaft and ends to give it an extra pop, especially when it's blow dried and when she's going to be under the hot lights of New York. Okay, guys, so I'm going to just use a brush. You can see there's a gel-like consistency there. I'm just going to paint it through her mid shaft and ends, and it doesn't have to be perfect or any science to it. Just paint it through. It's going to sit for 10 minutes. Paint it on the outside too. Sun there? Is that better? All right, guys, we are all done. You just saw the results. Look at the roots. Super gorgeous. A little bit of temporary J-Bev color. Still have a little bit of that fiery red in there. And we didn't take it all out, and we're ready for New York Fashion Week.
Yep.
How can they follow you on Instagram?
At Shell Steps. Yeah, that's it.
Is that it?
That is it.
Look how red we look.
Shell steps.
Shell Steps, right?
Shell steps.
Yeah.
Your hair's red. My face is red. It's a great day. Got Jonathan here.
What up?
He's been awesome.
No.
Hey guys, thanks for watching us. Another exciting episode. Follow us on the internet. Follow her at New York Fashion Week. But don't follow this guy because he could take you into dangerous places. Bye guys. You guys say bye.
Bye!
Bye.